Welcome to another mind-bending mystery. Today, we are diving deep into the enigmatic world of black holes. These cosmic phenomena continue to captivate and perplex scientists around the globe. So, get ready to embark on a journey into the ultimate unknown. First, let's unravel the basics. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating an incredibly dense and compact object. Imagine a star compressing into a single point, known as a singularity. But don't be fooled by their name. Black holes aren't just empty voids. They possess mind-boggling properties that defy our imagination. A black hole's event horizon marks the boundary where escape becomes impossible. Once you cross this boundary, you are trapped, forever destined to be a part of the singularity's infinite gravitational grip. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so intense that it distorts the fabric of space and time itself. This phenomenon, known as spacetime curvature, creates mind-bending effects. Time near a black hole slows down, and space becomes warped, causing anything that comes too close to be stretched and pulled apart, a fate known as spaghettification. Black holes come in various sizes. Stellar black holes are typically a few times more massive than our Sun, while supermassive black holes can be millions or even billions of times more massive. These colossal giants reside at the centers of galaxies, holding entire star systems in their gravitational embrace. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of black holes is the possibility of their connections to other universes or wormholes, hypothetical tunnels in space-time. Although not yet observed or proven, these ideas push the boundaries of our understanding of the cosmos, leaving room for endless exploration. And so, the mystery of black holes continues to captivate our imaginations and drive groundbreaking research. As we venture further into the cosmos, we unroll the infinite wonders that surround us. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and embrace the thrill of the unknown. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mind-bending mystery of black holes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing glimpses into the vastness of the universe. Happy exploring!